Hallo Traders. This is video part 4 of discussing Waka Waka. I run this expert advisor from February 2023. The drawdown produced was also quite low, namely only 3.73%. Watch this video till the end to get the whole information. In this video I will explain a few things. Among them, if you are a new viewer, you can subscribe to this channel and it is naturally free. You will get a free expert advisor along with the reason when I upload a video. Make sure you turn on notifications so you can find out every time I upload a video. One. Trading results from February 2023. Okay, straight to the terminalmetatrader 4 that I use for Forex trading using the expert advisor Waka Waka. For presets you can pay attention here. The type of trading that I use is the lowest risk type. I am running 3 pairs. All of these settings are default presets. Oh yes, I also did not forget to activate the news filter. There are 4 news filters that I use here. Previously, I had connected my trading account with my FX book account. You can see here, my Forex trading starts from February 9, 2023. Or about almost 7 weeks. The deposit that I used was $1,000. That advantage obtained $61.48. The drawdown that occurred was only 3.73%. Estimated monthly income of 3.73%. And the total income earned is 6.15%. Maybe for some people this is a small income. But trading with low drawdown has many advantages. Some of the advantages of trading with low drawdown among them as follows. The first can avoid the risk of big losses. Trading with low drawdowns can help a trader avoid the risk of big losses. And the second benefit can increase a trader's chances of long-term success. Trading with low drawdowns can also increase a trader's chances of long-term success. By avoiding the risk of major losses and minimizing emotional stress, a trader can maintain consistent profits and develop their trading strategy in a sustainable manner. Total trading for almost 7 weeks, as many as 110 transactions. With a profit ratio of 79%. Profit factor at 2.76. And the average trading duration is over 21 hours. You can see Forex trading profits from 3 pairs that I run using the expert advisor Waka Waka. I run trading for 24 hours. And there are many trading histories that are open every hour. Further information: monthly analytics. This is the percentage of profit that was produced in the running months of February and March. 2. Trading results from June 2018. Next, I will look at detailed trading history that occurred for 250 weeks from 2018 using the expert advisor Waka Waka. From a capital of $500 profit which was obtained for $9,593.37. Growth information. You can see here the percentage of profit every month from 2018. From the trading history information, we can get that the trading lot that was opened is quite small, from 0.02. Statistical information. You can see detailed information here. This is the result of trading using the Waka Waka expert advisor for more than 5 years. Okay, I think this video is enough up here. In conclusion, this expert advisor is quite good to be equipped with filter news. So you can trade for 24 hours without worrying about thinking something new will happen that will impact your trading. The second is that these expert advisors already have quite a long trading history, namely from 2018, and the same drawdown produced relatively low. I want a disclaimer. Trading is a risky investment. So, make sure you are trading with money that you are prepared to lose. Do not use borrowed money or money that is dangerous for you. Thanks for watching till the end.